Let's do an example using the power rule. Now would be a good time to stop the recording, make a copy of the expressions that you see in front of you, and attempt to use the power rule yourself to rewrite the expression. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So the power rule says that if I have an exponent on the argument of my logarithm, I can move that exponent out front. So for example, ln of x to the 7 can be rewritten as 7 ln x. And of course, as usual, I'm assuming here that all of my bases and my variables are what they need to be to make sure my logarithms are defined. Let's take a look at the next one. So we have x as a coefficient out front, so we could also similarly write this as log base a of b to the x power. Now this one is an interesting one because, I should put some extra equal signs in there. The log of the root of 7, I can rewrite that as the log of 7 to the 1/2, so writing that radical in exponential form, so that becomes 1/2 log 7. The next one can be written as log base 2 of 9 to the 5th power, and if you cared enough you could actually figure out what that 9 to the 5th was. Over here I can rewrite the 1 over m as ln of m to the -1 power, and so of course then I can write that as negative ln m. And then the last one, there's actually two possible answers here. We can either bring the 2 out front to write this as 10 log of x, or equivalently, since I gave you no instructions otherwise, you could also write it as log of x squared to the 5th power, which gives you log of x to the 10.